Welcome back to the Worldly Traveler. Today we're escaping to a place where ocean breezes, towering redwoods, and rugged California coastline meet, Costanoa. An extraordinary nature-centric resort that feels like your personal gateway to untamed beauty and peaceful escape. Located on the pristine stretch of California's famous Highway 1. Costanoa sits between San Francisco and Big Sur, one of the most scenic drives in the world. From the moment you arrive, you sense that this is a destination rooted in nature, where every sight, sound, and breath invites you to slow down and reconnect with the world around you. Costanoa's charm begins with its setting. The property unfolds along rolling dunes, bordered by the expansive Pacific Ocean on one side and ancient redwood forests on the other. It's a place where sunrise views over the water become a daily ritual and the rhythmic sound of waves becomes your constant companion. This resort masterfully blends outdoor adventure with thoughtful comfort. Accommodations range from luxury lodge rooms to glamping-style yurts and cabins, each designed to reflect the surrounding environment in a way that feels both timeless and refreshing. Natural materials, warm tones, and expansive windows make every space feel like a sanctuary, whether you're here for a restful weekend or an extended stay. One of Costanoa's most compelling features is how it encourages you to explore. Miles of walking and biking trails weave through redwood groves and dunes, offering endless opportunities for discovery. Feel the crisp ocean mist on your face as you stroll along sandy paths, pause to admire native wildlife, or capture unforgettable photos of coastal vistas that stretch to the horizon. For those who crave connection with the outdoors, Costanoa delivers experiences that redefine the idea of a getaway. Join a guided beach yoga session at dawn. Learn about the local ecology on nature walks, or embark on horseback rides along the shoreline. Every activity feels intentional, designed to deepen your connection to this remarkable landscape. Back at the heart of the property, shared spaces draw guests together with relaxed elegance. Gather around fire pits as the sun dips low, share a meal at the open-air cafe, or simply unwind with a good book beside the lodge's inviting hearth. The atmosphere feels open and communal, yet every moment still carries a strong sense of calm. As day transitions to night, the sky here becomes a tapestry of stars unobscured by city lights. It's a reminder that Costanoa is not just a place to stay. It's a place to experience, reflect, and find peace in the simplicity of nature's rhythms. Whether you're seeking a romantic escape, family adventure, or solo recharge, this coastal forest retreat elevates every travel moment. The blend of scenic beauty, thoughtful design, and immersive outdoor experiences makes Costanoa one of the most memorable destinations on the West Coast. Thank you for joining the Worldly Traveler. If Costanoa inspires your next nature-filled escape, be sure to subscribe for more extraordinary stays, hidden gems, and unforgettable travel experiences from across the USA and around the world.